and I'm going to work with that. The pencils that I'm using are mostly from this tray. So let's choose them. There we go. I'm definitely gonna take this one. This is cinnamon. And I'm going to take you. You are burnt ochre. These are yellowish browns. And this way you don't have, with all the underpaintings, you don't have to be too particular when you put on top some colored pencil or crayon or whatever. But you can, well, have little tiny holes in it. So when you color with only colored pencil on white paper, you have probably seen that you have those tiny white dots, those crevices in the paper that stay white. You've probably seen that in your own work. You get rid of that and don't have to layer 1500 layers if you like putting an underpainting underneath like I did here. And I find that though it also takes time to have the underpainting done and have everything dried and so on and so forth, it is still faster to work this way. Lips get lighter towards the lower edge and the upper edge. So I'm just coloring pretty much the middle section here. And then coming in and blending it out with my cinnamon. This is also an occasion for a bit of indigo and a gray, probably, but let's see if indigo does the trick on its own. Could also take a purple. Now for the final touch, I just am taking a white gel pen because I want the reflections here. It's only drawn in on the left eye. But I'm gonna have a small one. Also here. There we go. Any other highlights? I don't think so. There's no other reflective things I see here that are deserving a direct reflection. So that would be my coloring page for Sherlock. I'm done! Yay! I got it! So you can find details, close-up photos and all the pencils that I used and such. You could find that on my blog. The link is in the description box below for my webpage. And I promised you earlier I would quickly show you the coloring books that you could choose from.